This is Merrill Nursing Nail Polish Remover. So in this video I am gonna show you how you can remove nail polish using this nail remover or nail polish remover. So you can see this is the for smooth and hydrated nails. So you can see the details of the product. So now see how we can remove this. So first you need to take a tissue paper. After that just add some nail remover oil or Merrill. So after that just polish your nail using this and it will be removed. So now you see it's removing and you can see it's completely removed, and there you go. That's how you can remove your nail polish using nail polish remover. So basically you can see this is a liquid Merrill or liquid Merrill nail polish remover. So hope that this video help you out. Thanks for watching.